go. Come on up. Keep going straight. Now, hard driver. Square it up right here. There you go. Keep coming towards me. And then turn driver as you come over. Now turn a little bit driver. I'm in passenger, I'm sorry. Told you the wrong way. Perfect. Hang tight. Set yourself up over here on this side. So you can see how tight that fit is. Yeah, we're gonna, it's okay to rub tires on this side, so we're totally gonna air to the driver's side. Right here. Perfect. A little bit more driver even. A little bit more, that's it right there. Perfect, just like that. High five the rock as you go through, boys. Woohoo! You got another one here. This one's a little wider. Just watch that front driver tire on the rock that's hiding in the tree there. Get close to that one and you're good. Nice job.